Right now, it is about 4:33 p.m. on Friday, May 8th. And this morning, starting at 12 a.m., I started my burn 10,000 calories a day challenge. My watch, my FitBit, had been working pretty well. Everything was normal, was tracking my calories, was tracking my steps, was tracking my miles, etc., etc. So right around 4 o'clock, so 35 minutes ago, I looked at my watch and I was like, I should probably go on a run, just to have a little bit of buffer for my 10,000 calories because I'm on pace right now. So I decided to go on a run, and a mile into my run, I look down at my watch and it says I've burned 38 calories. And then I think that can't be right because, I usually burn 100, 110, 130 calories per mile. So I close it out. I'll throw it up on the screen here. You can see that it says 38 calories per mile. I close it out, and then I look down at my watch, and I obviously, because I'm paying attention to the calories burned, I look down at my watch, a couple minutes passed, and the calories burned is the same. And then so I'm like, okay, I hope, please do not malfunction, right? So I decide to take a picture of my watch, and I'll throw it up here as well, at 4:04 p.m. The picture's a little bit blurry, but you can see the calories burned on the lower right-hand side, 6,906. And some more time passes, and the number's not going up. And obviously, I'm still moving. Even if I weren't doing anything, it should be going up. So 6,906, right? And I'm gonna show you my Fitbit right now. It is 4:34, and if you can see this lower flame thing for the calories burned, 6,906. So I burned roughly 6,906 calories that I know of a little bit before 4 o'clock. And I don't know what to do right now because how do I track what I'm burning? Yeah, I can go out and run whatever many miles, or granted, if I just straight ran, I don't think my body would hold up, because if I ran for another 7.5 hours, I already ran 32, 33 miles. And I legit don't know what to do. It's been 35 minutes, or 33 minutes, it's 4:37 right now, and the calories is the same. And I just did all that for nothing. So I don't know what to do. Lesson learned: I will never ever buy a Fitbit ever again. But today was a really fun day, and it was difficult for sure, obviously burning 10,000 calories, and I'm gonna be doing it again. So I'm gonna get another smartwatch. I'm probably gonna go with one of the runner ones. So, oh well. Yeah, I was upset about it, obviously, when it happened. It just happened. But, I mean, a lot of my YouTube audience doesn't know me very well. like personally, but I get over things pretty quickly. And it happens, I mean, it is what it is, and there's nothing that I can do to change it. So, it's all good. I'm gonna laugh about this later. I'm laughing about it now, so. Yeah, it is what it is. It's fine. I know for me personally, I would have definitely burned the 10,000 calories within the time frame. I mean, I was on pace, and I was going out there, and I was going to go on another long run, but, I mean, what are you going to do? I'm just bummed. I'm not even upset anymore. I'm just bummed, like, all this work for no reason. Like, I've literally been working out non-stop since 12 a.m. this morning. So far, I've ran 32 miles. I've walked 2 or 3. Actually, the FitBit has the stats right here. So total mileage, 43.5. 65 stairs. I mean, it's just like the elevation gain, I think. You can see right here. 43.5 miles. That's running, walking, whatever. Steps, 81,000. And I basically did that all for nothing. Oh well, I guess. I mean, it happens. But I'm going to be doing this challenge again. I'm going to give myself a couple weeks. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate everyone reaching out. It's been a very supportive community. And, yeah. So, if you haven't already subscribed, thanks for subscribing. I don't even, actually, before that, I don't even know if I should put together a video of what happened. I mean, yeah, I'm going to put together a video about what happened, but, like, it's because it's not complete. It's not 10,000 calories. Oh, well. Alright, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you guys later.